Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Tuesday big country breakfast here, and I'm going to make a big country breakfast, but I'm about to kind of like tone it down. Not tone it down, but I'm not going to do a lot of work into this because everything I'm doing, y'all seen already on the recipe. And y'all see by the previous video and the title, I'm making an old school country Benedict. Now, you know the traditional egg Benedict, where they do in France, I think that's where it comes from, is English, nice buttery toasted English muffin. Then you put some nice Canadian bacon down there. Then you do a nice poached egg, and then you top it with a hollandaise sauce. And that's your traditional eggs Benedict. Well, what I'm doing, I'm going to do the biscuit in place of the English muffin. I'm going to do some sage sausage in place of the Canadian bacon. I'm going to do scrambled eggs instead of the poached egg. And I'm going to do this gravy. Y'all did a previous video a couple of days ago. I had some bacon and onion cream gravy I did for in memory of Daddy Jack. I got some of that left over. So this cream gravy going to be my hollandaise over my eggs. I'm telling y'all, this is the best Benedict I think it is ever. So what it is, I'm going to step off here, y'all. I'm going to put my biscuits in the oven. I just got them all cut out and stuff. Buttermilk biscuit, homemade buttermilk biscuit. I did these a million times, so I ain't gonna even show y'all do the biscuits. So I'll put a link of my biscuit in the description of the video if you want to see that. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step out, get the biscuits in the oven, get my sausage cut. You know, you get your knife and you cut across, cut them about this thick. And I'm gonna get them seared off in the skillet here, get them done. So when the biscuits is ready, I'm gonna heat the gravy. I can put the gravy right in the microwave. It's just easy breakfast. Easy big country breakfast, y'all, when you got all these stuff already ready. And just put this thing together. So anyway, big country breakfast, Tuesday morning, just getting started. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, I got my skillet heating up here. And now, let me put my sausage in here. Y'all remember that old roll sausage we used to buy? Which I do buy sometime. But I had this left over from Thanksgiving, when I used to do dressing at Christmas and Thanksgiving, I had it in the freezer. So I said, yeah, let me go on and cook these sausages off here. And it'd be awesome for breakfast. Nothing like a good deep sage sausage. Now, wish y'all could smell the aroma in there right now. Wish y'all could. Now, while that's cooking, I'm gonna open these eggs up, crack these eggs open, get them kind of mixed up with the fork. Like I say, y'all, this breakfast gonna come together so easy, y'all. So easy. Okay. Oh man, this I'm telling y'all, this sausage is straight amazing. And what I do, y'all, I just scramble my eggs up here and I'm gonna let them hang out here in my bowl. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper in them. And that's all I'm gonna do to them. You can actually put a little milk in them if you want to, but I'm gonna just do it old school style, scramble it up. A little milk, with a little salt and pepper, and that's it. We're gonna let these, like I said, let these sausages kind of hang out in here. And this gonna be in place of my, like I say, in place of my traditional Canadian bacon. We're gonna put sausage. Now this here, I'm gonna just put it in the microwave, 3 minutes, heat the gravy up. It's awesome when you got leftover gravy for something. Always good on some biscuits, y'all. So anyway, y'all, this is gonna be an easy, quick video, but it's gonna be one of the best videos. Ain't nothing like biscuits, gravy, eggs, and sausage all in one stack. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. Oh my God, y'all should smell how it smells in here. So I'm gonna turn these sausages off. I'm gonna just kind of let them hang around there in that skillet. And look at that gravy. All that gravy with that nice bacon in there and them onions that I made from the other day. All right. And I'm gonna let this gravy kind of hang out. I'm gonna put it back up in the microwave so it kind of stays semi-warm. I gotta warm it up again in a minute when the biscuits get ready. I'll do that. So we got this hang out a little bit. Move this over. We're gonna get our egg skillet ready here. As soon as these biscuits are ready, we do our scrambled eggs, y'all. The sausage is ready, gravy is ready. Eggs don't take but less than a minute to scramble up. And the biscuits, that's all we waiting on. So we about to put this big country breakfast together, y'all. So y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, the biscuits are out of the oven. See it right there? Look at them nice golden brown biscuits. Okay, we're gonna let them hang out there. We're gonna move y'all over here, and we're gonna do some biscuits here. I do my eggs here, y'all. Do my eggs here. Okay. Get a little oil here for them. Guess it's good if I heat the skillet up, huh? 1 second here, y'all. 1 second. That's too much oil. I'm gonna pull some out of there. Got my eggs right here. Y'all know I love my soft scrambled eggs. I'm gonna pull a little of that oil out. I don't want too much oil in there. And like I said, I got my sausage hanging out over here. The gravy's ready. So we're gonna put this thing together once we get these eggs cooked off here. And y'all already know it takes no time for me to scramble my eggs, y'all. No time at all. Guess I should have had to. Y'all sit tight right there. I ain't gonna even cut the thing off. Okay. All right, y'all. Put our eggs in here. Y'all know I do not like eggs is overcooked. That's a pet peeve of mine. Y'all been following me enough, y'all already know. Alrighty. Alright. A little bit there. Just move it around. And definitely don't want these hard scrambled. Right before they get done, I just turn the temperature off. Right now, I turned the temperature off. I'm gonna let the heat carry over cooking, cook the rest of the eggs. Just cook the rest of them. If you like them cooked hard, that's fine, but I don't. I do not like no hard, dried eggs. It just is disgusting. To me, it ruins the whole eating experience. I'm just, being a chef, I just know flavors now. As growing up, it was kind of different, even though my mom didn't cook hard eggs either growing up. I guess she knew too, cooking in the restaurants all those years, just how things taste if you don't cook like my dad say, if you don't cook the daylights out of stuff. People cook the daylights out of food and they ruin the whole flavor and the whole eating experience. Anyway, we're gonna let that sit there a little bit. I'm going to assemble everything together. I got my sausage here, biscuits ready. I'm going to assemble this whole thing. When you come back, we're going to try this out. So old school country breakfast almost ready. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. And let me show y'all here. Now I did it 2 ways. I got one here that I didn't split the biscuit. And I got one here that actually split the biscuit on there. So you got your biscuit, patty sausage, pan sausage, scrambled eggs, and your gravy. That's how you do Benedicts in the old school country, y'all. No, none of that fancy Canadian bacon and poached egg and hollandaise. You can do your Benedicts just like this. So let's get to the good part here. Oh yeah, cut that in half there. I'm telling y'all, let me get a good bite of this, y'all, for y'all. Let me show y'all a good bite here. Show y'all a good bite. Look at that, look at this. That's a breakfast. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Give me some hot sauce. I take after my mama. She loves some hot sauce. I do too. Love my hot sauce. All right. You don't need no salt, no pepper. See that? That's breakfast right here, y'all. More back here. That'll make you want to go back to sleep, y'all. Eat a breakfast like that, you definitely want to go back to sleep. But anyway, another big country breakfast in the book. Well, anyway, y'all, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember hashtag, oh, y'all probably wondering what Dylan is. I had a video up, but I'm saving it for next week that we recorded for this breakfast. After he left, I looked at it and I redid my schedule, and I said, I need to do another one for today's video, for y'all seeing right now. So I had to do another video after we shot through videos before. So that's why I'm in here trying to be the cameraman by myself, because I kind of revamped my schedule of videos after he left. So that's why it's this. So he would love to be here for this one too. But anyway, y'all, until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.